name's Alyssa and I'm a naturalist here at Metroparks Toledo. I get to play outside a lot, and today we're going to talk about campfire cooking. Today we are going to be cooking campfire breadsticks and foil dinners. So when you're campfire cooking at home, make sure you always have your fire in a safe space, whether that be in a fire pit or a fireplace. And make sure if you are cooking, you should have an adult nearby and also a bucket of water in case your fire goes awry. So you're going to take a clump of your dough and you're going to roll it and stretch it out into a little rope, because we are going to wrap it around your stick. You're going to want to make it kind of thin so that it cooks pretty quickly and pretty evenly. So we're going to wrap. We're going to put this in the fire. So for our foil dinners, you can put pretty much anything inside of it. I like to do a combo of veggies. I got in here, I have peppers, onions, frozen hash browns, and some sausage. And you can also use leftovers if you want to repurpose them and spice them up. Then you're going to take your foil and you want to have the dull side towards your food. I'm going to spray this. You always want to spray it because it can burn and be a little sticky. So we're going to put some of this in here. I think I'm going to make this in two. And then when you wrap it up, you want to make sure that all the creases are on the top or on the edge. So you fold them up. I like to roll down the top like this. And then roll in the edges. So if you have heavy duty, that's the best. But if you have regular foil, if you use 2 layers, that should be good, because you don't want to accidentally rip a hole in it. That's why I like the heavy duty personally. And then you're going to find a nice hot spot for it in the fire. That looks good. It's done. Thanks for cooking with us. I hope you get out there and enjoy your Metroparks.